Jiangsu YiYuan Decoration Engineering Company Limited was founded on September 1, 2010, with a registered capital of 30 million yuan. To expand production, the company established Wangyuan New Material Technology, Jiangsu Company Limited as its subsidiary, spanning a total area of 70 mu. The facility now boasts over 46,800 square meters of standardized production workshops located in Suqian, Jiangsu Province, and employs around 40 staff members. Equipped with internationally advanced and efficient fully automated CNC production lines, we ensure timely supply. Our main products include GRC Decorative Components, EPS Decorative Components, Magnesium cement flower pots, and more. We have established considerable production scale and influence in the industry, specializing in design, production, construction, and research and development. Guided by advanced technology and exquisite craftsmanship, supported by high-quality management and talented professionals, and backed by reliable, efficient, and prompt services. We consistently innovate and progress through friendly communication with our clients, leading new trends in the decoration industry. Our materials offer advantages such as delicate and realistic modeling, high strength, deformation resistance, impact resistance, moisture proofing, corrosion resistance, alkali resistance, and fire retardancy. With strict quality certifications, they ensure long service life and high-quality engineering outcomes. Our growth stems from our core competitiveness. As a professional manufacturer in China, we have successfully completed numerous key government projects nationwide, turning the visions of owners and architects into reality and perfectly blending modern artistic styles with classical European aesthetics. We look forward to collaborating with friends from all sectors to jointly create brilliance in decorative art.